In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPad Air 3 that started to keep freezing after the iPadOS 14 update. When it comes to performance, you can always expect that your device may encounter some issues every now and then. But don't worry, because most of them are actually pretty easy to fix and are not really that serious. If you're one of the iPad users who have experienced lags and freezes after an update, then here's what you should do. First solution: close apps and then force restart your iPad. There are times when there are already a lot of applications running in the background that your iPad's performance drops. If this is the case with your iPad, then you can fix it by simply closing all applications running in the background and refreshing the memory by doing the forced restart. Here's how. Double press the home button. This will show you the app previews. Now, swipe up on the previews to close them. To force restart your iPad, press and hold the home button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your device to power down and turn back on. When the Apple logo shows, release both keys. Now wait for your iPad to finish restarting. Once the reboot is finished, try to see if your iPad still lags and freezes. Second solution: check your iPad storage and for new update. If your device is running low on storage space, it will also affect its performance. But aside from that, the problem can also be with the firmware, so it's better to also check for a new update and install it if possible. This is how you do those things. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General if it's not selected yet. Touch iPad storage and check if there's enough storage. If you only have around 2 GB, then delete some of your files to free up some space. Go back to the previous screen, and then touch Software Update. If there's an update available, then download and install it. After making sure that your iPad has enough storage space and that its firmware is updated, and yet its performance is still poor, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: reset all settings. If the first solution failed to fix the problem, then what you need to do is to reset all settings on your iPad, to make sure the performance issue isn't due to some inappropriate settings. This is how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General if it's not selected yet. Touch Reset to view all the reset options available. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap the Reset option, and then tap Reset again to confirm. Your iPad will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to use the tablet as you normally would to see if the performance has returned to normal. Fourth solution: factory reset your iPad. If the previous procedures failed to fix the problem, then you are most likely dealing with some major iOS flaw that requires a more advanced solution. In this case, your remaining options would be a factory reset and iOS restore. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General if it's not selected yet. Tap Reset to view all other reset options. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase and then confirm it. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Erase at the upper right corner. Wait until your iPad has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.